Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my third weekly Forex trading outlook video. This week, instead of going over possible trade scenarios that could work out, I'm just going to talk about the trades where I have already set orders. So I have 3 orders on 3 different pairs. And we will start with the Aussie yen. So I'm on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, we had this weekly resistance here, and we closed out with a bearish hammer candle. So this makes me bearish for next week. So I go to the hourly chart and I see we have this break of the support, and we have this lovely thrust candle here, and my strategy says to enter at the last low pre-breakout, and that is here, right there. So that's where I'll be entering a short, and my stop will be just above these highs here. And I will target this support area here. Right, let's move on to the Aussie dollar. Here we had a break of this resistance level here on the daily and the weekly as well, of course, and with a big thrust candle, and that's exactly what I like to see. So then I zoom in on the 1 hour for my entry, and last high pre-breakout is right here. Right here. Oh, whoops. And the reason I choose this is because this is the last time that we had selling pressure, that price struggled to get above, which is why it was an orange candle as well, right? So that's my entry. And stop is just below here. Alright, that low there, that's my stop. And I'll just be targeting these highs here. Okay, simple break and retest. Now the New Zealand dollar, I think this is the same scenario more or less here. We had this resistance here on the daily, and we broke above, clean thrust candle, and I'm just waiting for a retest on the hourly, and the last high will be my entry. And this right here, I see this as the last high, and then I put the stops below these lows here, targeting this weekly resistance up here. Okay, so these are the orders that I have already put in at my broker, and of course I'll be looking at the pairs throughout the week to see if there are more trades coming. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a like if you wish.